Madara, you can't go away like that. You can't. We will not let you go to the wrong path. Please don't go to that path again. Please, Madara. So, hello, welcome, guys, to a new What If. That is, what if Madara never betrayed Hashirama? So, as always, we jump right into it. So, for this what if to be possible, we are making a scenario that Madara, in his whole life, when he formed the Leaf Village with Hashirama, was very frustrated that he is not become the Hokage. I understand the tablet that has been written in the Uchiha compound. So, has an ill hatred between all the other members of the hidden Leaf Village. So he start to plan. But at that time, Madara fall in love with someone from the Uchiha clan. So he forget about the ill hatred. But at that time, he form a kid with her, Himiko. That is her daughter. So Himiko will playing with Madara. At that time, when Madara listened that he's become the Hokage and he can't, and seeing Tobirama being pushing the Uchiha underground and reminding him of his brother, Madara think, I would take a revenge and form the Rinnegan, form the infinite Tsukuyomi so that I can revive my brother. This world is no more. At that time when he was going from the village, his daughter rises up and rushed toward him when he was going far and see his father going away. At that time, her daughter activated 3 Tomoe Sharingan and said, Father, don't go. Please don't go. How you can leave us? How can you? At that time, his wife also came and say, why mother, why you are leaving us all behind? We are our family. I know your plans. You have told me about the tablet that has been written. But this will do no harm to us. Nothing possible. We will go in the darkness. Can't revive your brother. Beloved family that you have. Do you want to leave this family behind? The future of it? Do you want to kill your daughter also for that? At that time, Madara heart changed. At that time, Hashirama came and yelled, Madara, how you can go and betray us? No matter what, I will be as a friend. Isn't I'm like your brother also? At that time, Madara reminded it, yeah, Hashirama is like my brother also. I can't revive Inazuma. I can't revive him, but I can be with you all for the greatness. So he stayed in the village, but that made Tobirama know about it and confront Madara and say, what were you planning, Madara? I will fight against you if you go against the Leaf Village. At that time, Madara blazes eternal Mangekyou Sharingan and say, you can't even touch me, you fool. I'm with you now. No matter how much you hate the Uchiha clan, yes, we are formed with hatred. Yes, I know that hatred drives us, but you also know that the most loved people are the one that hate the most. This hatred comes with the darkness that I seal inside us. I know you killed our brother. I want to kill you every second of my life. Can't forgive you. Never. But the bond that we share between Hashirama, me, and my daughter and my wife, this make me not able to kill you. I'm letting you go. This is your last chance. If you ever attack me, I'll forget everything and kill you then and there and tell to Hashirama that you are the one who has stopped me. Now it's your responsibility to stop your brother to doing and go me against the Hidden Leaf Village. Anything happens again, I will make sure that he dies and will destroy the whole village. At that time, Hashirama goes to his sage mode and say, no matter what, I will stop you both from doing that crime. I can't take away this whole peaceness that we have formed. I know this is not the best thing, but it is not the worst thing either. At that time, Tobirama mind changed because he started going with Madara more and more. They both hate each other, but they can't fight with each other because of Hashirama. That make them both understand their both views, both change differently, and make Tobirama to feel more towards Uchiha clan and understand how much they love each other. They're not maybe the purest star to be ever, but not the darkest either. That make Tobirama think and change his mind toward the Uchiha clan that he was able to gain after some time. So when the second Hokage place was being held because Hashirama has not died. It is all because of Madara not fighting with him and losing a shit ton of chakra, and the whole cell that he lost were the main reason that Hashirama died. So Hashirama live a very long life. But at that time, Madara think your cell are the power to make others strong and be invincible and to make other to live forever. So Madara with Hashirama and other scientists, other ninja start to train and to understand the whole Hashirama cell and how we can make other people to live and live forever so that no one dies. But at that time, first great ninja war happened to the all tail beast. That time the reveal of Mother Uchiha being there make everybody scared because he trashed all the villages. But when Hashirama came and tell Madara, we can't control them all, we can't. So they distribute all the tail beasts, not even not keeping. So they all distributed all the tail beasts that are, but only keeping the 9-tailed fox, not even keeping the 2-tailed. But Madara insisted, keep at least 2 more. So they take away the 2-tailed beast and the 4-tailed beast with them. Other being distributed evenly with all the villages that are out there according to their power. So they all have a happy life, and that make the Black Jutsu to make a different plan. A different plan to make Madara to fall to the darkness. Other Uchiha that can make this prodigy to be work and work around it, because the cell they were working on make them invincible and maintain the whole chakra so that they all can live. So in the next part we will see that the whole of the plan of the White Zetsu to make the Rinnegan and to make his success of his plan. So do like, share and subscribe, because it's being a different series. I'm somewhat decreasing the like goal to 10 likes only. So do share the video and hit the bell notification after subscribing to my channel, because more such awesome content is also coming your way with other My Hero Academia content also, like other My Hero Academia content that you will see in the other video. So as always, goodbye.